I'm very grateful that there's a space and a place like Umbrella here in North Queensland. It's not just the art side of things, it's the networking, it's the conversations, it's the checking in with each other.
I like how everyone's so welcoming, and it's just so much community involvement from like grassroots, local level, all the way up to like national, international, high profile artists. It's amazing.
It makes me enjoy myself and feel good about myself. It's really nice to have opportunities like this.
Galleries are a meeting place for the art community.
Galleries are vital to society. I think they do allow for artists like myself to showcase their works. It allows people to tell their stories through their art and give an opportunity for people to view and see those artworks.
Well, it's absolutely vital and essential for artists to have Umbrella here because it's an outlet for our artwork and being in touch with like-minded artists.
I think that if there wasn't a space like Umbrella, I think a lot of artists like myself would have a tough time finding the skills, the resources and also opportunities to keep growing our journey and our path.
Donating to Umbrella is such a worthy cause. It really helps not only the artists, Umbrella as an institution, but also for the whole community.
Your support means we can elevate regional artists through our program, so our stories reach new audiences here, across the state, nationally and internationally.
It is important our stories are heard.
And all donations over $2 are tax deductible.
Support regional artists by donating at our website this end of financial year.